Running belt and deck replacement. Begin by unplugging the unit from the wall. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 4 screws attaching the motor cover. Next, remove the end caps. For non-folding treadmills, tilt the unit on its side. For folding treadmills, simply lift the deck. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws. With an Allen key, completely remove the rear roller adjustment bolts. Then slide out the rear roller. Using a rubber mallet, gently tap the front end of the guide rail and slide the rail off toward the back. Repeat these steps on the opposite side. With an Allen key and a wrench, remove all bolts and nuts holding the deck in place. Slide the deck out as shown and replace it with the new deck. Reinstall the bolts and nuts that hold the deck to the frame. If the running belt needs to be replaced, do not install the bolts yet. For running belt replacement, use the same Allen key and a 13mm wrench to remove the nut and bolt for the front roller. Then remove the bolt that holds the left side of the front roller to the frame. Remove the drive belt by rotating the motor flywheel and pressing the belt outward until it is completely off. Slide out the front roller and take off the old running belt. Replace it with the new one. Insert the right side adjustment bolt through the roller shaft, making sure the bolt goes through both sides of the bracket. Verify that the front roller shaft sits in the middle of both sides of the bracket. You may now reinstall the deck bolts. To finish, reinstall the rear roller bolts and verify the tension and alignment of the running belt. Attach the end caps.